Disappointing election results for the Grand Alliance in Bihar is likely to impact the Congress the most. It contested on 70 seats but managed to win only 19. So now the question is, will this poor strike rate actually impact the Congress party's alliance in poll-bound states like Tamil Nadu and West Bengal?
The Congress seems to be stuck with the label of being the weakest link in a coalition. The party's dismal performance in the recent Bihar elections has only reiterated this belief. Down in the battleground, many are blaming the grand old party for sinking the hopes of the Mahagathbandhan in the 2020 Bihar Assembly election. And the loss has triggered grumblings from allied parties and from within the party itself.
प्रत्याशी के चयन में सबसे बड़ी गलती हुई है और इतना ही नहीं, नॉमिनेशन के दिन तक प्रत्याशी का चयन किया गया है। यह कोई जादू नहीं है, मतदान जादू नहीं है, मतदाता जानते हैं।
मैं आपको 25 सीट 30 सीट ऐसा बता सकता हूं जहां पर उनके उम्मीदवार को पंचायत का नाम याद नहीं था कि हमारे विधानसभा में कितने पंचायत हैं।
ऐसे लोग को टिकट कैसे मिल गया?
अध्यक्ष जवाब देना, हमारे मदन मोहन जी आवाज देना।
आपको लगता है ज्यादा सीटें आ जाती पर टिकट ठीक?
हम सीधा कह रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस के कारण आज महागठबंधन की सरकार नहीं बनी है और उसमें जो भी दोषी लोग हैं आला कमान इसकी जांच करे और उन लोग पर कड़ी कार्रवाई करे।
जिला कांग्रेस कमेटी के सम्मानित
Congress contested on 70 seats and managed to win just 19. That makes the party's strike rate the poorest amongst the alliance partners. Even the left parties performed much better this year. And Congress's poor track record will have an impact in other poll-bound big states like West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. Political analysts point out that this time around, Congress will have a tougher time getting seats allocated in a coalition. In the 2016 Tamil Nadu elections, Congress secured 40 seats from the DMK, but ended up winning just 8 of them.
The problem for the DMK though is that this is a very, very crucial election. It's a election that they can't afford to lose. They have been out of power for 10 years. So they would be keen to ensure that every vote is added into their kitty. The Congress currently commands about 4 to 5% vote in Tamil Nadu. And the DMK will be calculating very carefully how much of damage could the Congress do if they were not part of the alliance, and then take a call on the minimum number of seats that can be shared with its alliance partner.
The grand old party's poll record is at a dismal low. The trend is further amplified in big states where it contested as part of an alliance with regional parties, as it did in UP and Maharashtra. Add to this the recent Bihar poll outcome, and it has sounded off an alarm for the left parties, which recently announced an alliance with the Congress in West Bengal polls due next year.
Congress party's bag of fools just got heavier with yet another defeat in Bihar. Biggest concern though will be its poor strike rate as it heads into polls in 5 crucial states early next year. With camera person Pavan Kumar, this is Anand Patel in New Delhi for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.